How to cancel a money order and receive a refund.
In this video, we will explain the process of canceling a money order and receiving a refund. Follow along as we walk you through each step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do.
What is a money order?
A money order is a payment method that allows you to send a specific amount of money to someone else, with the payment being guaranteed by the issuing institution. It's a popular choice when cash or personal checks are not accepted, or when you want to send money securely without revealing your bank account details.
Can money orders be canceled?
Yes, you can cancel a money order, but it's important to act quickly. Money orders can be cashed or deposited by the recipient, and once that happens, it's difficult to reverse the transaction. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with canceling a money order, which will be deducted from the refund amount.
How do I cancel a money order?
Follow these steps to cancel a money order and receive a refund. 1. Locate the receipt. You'll need the receipt that came with the money order when you purchased it. This receipt contains important information like the money order number and the amount. 2. Contact the issuing institution. Get in touch with the bank, post office, or financial institution that issued the money order. Let them know you wish to cancel the money order and request information about their specific cancellation process. 3. Complete the required forms. The issuing institution will provide you with the necessary forms to request a cancellation. Fill out these forms accurately and attach a copy of your receipt. 4. Pay the cancellation fee. Be prepared to pay a cancellation fee, which varies depending on the institution. This fee will be deducted from your refund. 5. Submit the cancellation request. Once you've completed the required forms and paid the fee, submit your cancellation request to the issuing institution. 6. Wait for confirmation and refund. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation that your money order has been successfully canceled. If approved, you'll receive a refund for the money order amount, minus the cancellation fee.
What if I've lost the receipt?
If you've lost the receipt for your money order, contact the issuing institution immediately. They may be able to help you locate the necessary information or provide alternative options for canceling the money order. However, keep in mind that without the receipt, the process may be more difficult and take longer to complete. Canceling a money order is a relatively straightforward process, but it's crucial to act quickly and have the necessary documentation on hand. Follow the steps outlined in this video, and you'll be on your way to receiving a refund for your canceled money order.